Hello, trading is closed on August the 14th, 2017. My last call said unless we gapped up sharply and overtook Friday's high, lower prices should print. It was clear from even prior to the open that we were going to get such a gap. My timing system had a change in trend Saturday, the 12th. I guess I have to consider that when I hit. The next dates it has are August 16th, the 19th, and 25th. Again, I'm still assessing the system. In back testing, it has a lot of wonderful hits, but a few complete misses. But those are the dates I get. Well, MEJT had a few signals today. Here it said ultimately lower prices would print, which they did. When they printed, it still had higher targets. This one was hit here. Here's the white dot. And this target was hit here. There's the white dot. So all the targets have printed. Well, this is kind of an interesting pattern. We gapped up, and despite what amounts to an all-day rally, we couldn't close over any of these highs. It's a negative pattern unless we gap up tomorrow and promptly go over today's high. Because we're so close to the high now, that shouldn't be too hard to do if it's the market's intention to continue higher. I still at some point would like to see us overtake the high of the wall, because the hole in the wall gap almost always fills at some point. There's nothing requiring it to fill now. Right now you can see we're just stopping at the wall's low. But if it did fill now, it would get that out of the way. There's a rule that when you have a long intraday narrow range, that the first move out of the range is a false move. Now the question is this the range and that the false move and we go higher? Or is this whole thing a narrow range and we haven't had the false move yet? I don't know. I think you can read it either way. Tomorrow's pattern is the one with an early low. I think that if we don't take out this high quickly, we should certainly see lower prices. If we do take out the high quickly, I have resistance right over that point, which is 24.74.41. There should be a change in trend around Wednesday, and again there's a leeway of a day or two. This is a pattern where you have a straight line move up and then a slanting move that goes up with no correction. This is not a sustainable pattern. If you're going to keep going up, you should drop first and then go up. When you go up like this, it's a matter of time until this move corrects. I just don't know if it's going to correct tomorrow or perhaps later in the week. I'm still thinking the high of this leg is in, and the call for tomorrow is unless we go over this high fast, we go down. But if we go over this high fast, here's your target over this high, and that's today's call.